Hi everyone, welcome back to SKWord. Today in this tutorial we are going how to perform drag and drop in Selenium using Python. This is a common task in web automation where you might need to move an element from one location to another, and Selenium provides an easy way to achieve this. So let's begin. In previous tutorial I have explained about the right click and double click in Selenium by using action class. So let's begin. Here you can view, we can perform the drag and drop. We can move this A to B. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can perform this drag and drop by using Selenium. So let's begin. Create a new Python file. Right click on this Python project new and then click on Python file. Enter the file name here, drag underscore drop, and then click on Python file. Let's import action class and WebDriver, and then initialize the WebDriver. After initializing the WebDriver, we need to navigate to the URL. URL is equal to enter the URL in which we want to perform the drag and drop. Copy this URL and enter URL here. And next thing we need to do here, driver dot get, enter the variable name which is URL. Here I just initialize the Chrome driver and enter the URL and then navigate to this URL. Next thing we need to do here, we need to perform the drag and drop. So we will find the locator of both A and B. Right click on this, inspect. This is source and this is destination. Copy this ID which is column dash A. Source is equal to driver dot find element by dot. Here multiple locators are available: CSS selector, ID, tag name, XPath, link text. In this scenario we will use ID and value here column dash A. Second, change the text here source. Next, add destination is equal to driver dot find element by dot ID and enter the destination. Here enter the B of locator ID which is column dash B. Add the object of action class. Action is equal to action change and add some wait here. After navigating to this URL, time dot zip 3-second wait, and then perform here drag and drop action dot. Here multiple options are available. You can view. We can perform the context click. In previous tutorial I have explained how you can perform the right click by using this context click. So here we will use the drag and drop. In this round brackets we need to define the source and destination. One is source and second is destination, and then perform this action. Add some wait here after performing the drag and drop 3-second. Let's run this script. Right click, run. Drag and drop is a file name. In this scenario, first it will navigate to this URL and wait for 3 seconds and then perform the drag and drop. It will perform drag and drop A to B. Here you can view perform A to B drag and drop. That's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to perform drag and drop action using Selenium in Python. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss out more automation tips and tricks from SQL World. Drop your question or suggestions in the comment below and I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.